Welcome to Beyond the Books podcast. I'm your host, Susan Stotterell. Today I'll be talking about major factors in poverty, crime, and ill health, being illiterate or functionally illiterate. An article on the Library Journal website stated that the International Literacy Association believes there are 781 million people in the world who are illiterate or functionally illiterate. 12% of that number, 126 million, are young people. In this country, 21% of adults, about 43 million, fall into the illiterate or functionally illiterate category. 66% of fourth graders read below grade level and also graduate from high school still reading below grade level. The U.S. falls far behind Japan, all the Scandinavian countries, Canada, the Republic of Korea, and the UK. Being illiterate or functionally illiterate affects every aspect of life. In terms of health, not understanding health information costs $232 billion per year for healthcare costs. These people also live shorter lives. They often forgo preventive services, delay diagnosis, and have trouble following medical instructions. There is a strong relationship between the level of education attained and employment. It leads to annual costs of $225 billion in workforce non-productivity. Also, crime and loss of tax revenue from unemployment related to low literacy. Currently, 43% of adults with the lowest literacy levels live in poverty. Of the two-thirds of fourth graders unable to read adequately, 82% are from low-income homes. Hispanics and African Americans both have higher rates of low literacy. Race-based discrimination compounds their difficulty in earning equal pay, despite having the same education. This affects the children. By the end of first grade, a poor reader has a 90% chance of remaining one by fourth grade. Not being able to read also leads to criminal behavior. 75% of state prison inmates are low literate or didn't complete high school. 3/5 of the prisoners can't read, and 85% of youth offenders struggle reading. Parents who struggle with literacy are more likely to struggle with employment and income. They pass those struggles down to their children. Giving illiterate parents help in learning to read was found to also improve the reading of their children. That's all for today, and I thank you for joining me. I'm Susan Stotterell, and I hope you will join me again on the second and fourth Tuesday of each month, either on my website or YouTube. Have a good week.